Written Mr. Praveen Prakash.
Yes.
My Lord, this is land acquisition matter, my Lord. Your Lordship have already heard it, my Lord. Your Lordship may have looked at order dated 31st March 2022.
ऑर्डर पढ़िएगा मेरा.
फाइल लीजिए.
Yes, what have they say, what is their counter affidavit apart from the last of the counter affidavits? You in the first, before the single judge, you had said
Lordship.
that the land was temporarily acquired for taking away mud from it.
Lordship.
Mr. Singh was right. There is no such acquisition called temporary acquisition only for taking away the mud.
Lordship.
Then what do you have to say about that?
Lordship, at page 31
Of
counter affidavit filed on behalf of respondent
which
state.
counter affidavit? Counter affidavit dated 28/4/2022.
No, your Lordship, in writ proceeding, your Lordship.
नहीं, उसको छोड़िए. अभी आपने नई काउंटर एफिडेविट फाइल की है, उसमें क्या लिखा है?
The stand is the same.
जिस खेसरा से मिट्टी निकाला गया है,
Just
उस खेसरा
No, we are not satisfied with your counter affidavit file here. Now make a statement that the land belonging to the appellant was never acquired.
Lordship, for this purpose, records was called for. My learned
We are
senior.
not going
आप
to
हमको
delve
मत
into-
refer कीजिए, आप
we are
कीजिए
not going
क्या?
to delve into the records. You tell us whether it has been acquired or not. We will have it tested.
No, Lordship,
It has not been required.
It has not been.
Where have
acquired.
you made that statement? Now, any statement if found to be incorrect, you would expose yourself to any action, any precipitate action for perjury. 42 years is understandable. He's approaching the court after 42 years, and that's the reason why single judge non-suited him. But the fact of the matter is that if you have taken, he's a poor person, if you have taken his land, you must pay him. Right? The curtain would not be drawn only with the passage of time. Now, if you say that it has not been acquired, we will be satisfied. Make that statement,
Please,
and
a
that
specific
statement should
statement,
come.
Lordship.
Make that the statement should be made by the district magistrate of the area
Oblige,
after finding the records.
Lord.
We are not going to get into all that land record.
Lordship.
Make that statement. 42 or 50 years old, Supreme Court has directed for payment after 60 years because the person was poor. Right?
Lordship.
So, unless you are not, all the affidavit does not state anything. You at one point of time you say that it was temporarily acquired. What was the acquisition for? Was it an emergency acquisition or any road was constructed? Then later you say that only mud was extracted from that land and the land was returned to him, and he has lost only 1,000 rupees which you are ready to restitute. And thirdly you say that it was never acquired. Now we can't appreciate all these three stands of the government.
On
Make
this
a
point-
statement. We are directing
on-
for
on
the
this
district magistrate to make a statement.
Lordship.
Okay. The appellant claims that he has not been paid for the land which was acquired in the year 1976. The learned single judge dismissed his writ petition on the ground that such prayer was being made after 42 years of the acquisition. This court, on finding that the appellant had been waiting for the government, for the concerned authority to make payment, and also taking into account the fact that he is not a person of letters, asked the state government, asked the respondent to file an affidavit stating with clarity whether the land belonging to the appellant was ever acquired. Conflicting statements have been made. We find that conflicting statements have been made in the counter affidavit which was filed before the learned single judge, as also in the affidavit which has been filed in the present appeal. Let the district magistrate of which place?
Samastipur.
Let the district magistrate of Samastipur make a categorical statement on oath whether the land of the appellant was acquired or after acquisition it was released, or that the appellant was paid for the acquisition of paid in lieu of the acquisition of his land. Let that affidavit be filed positively by the next date. Re-notify on 2 weeks,
होल्ड मैटर एक सप्ताह और यदि अगर जो बढ़
3
जाता
weeks. Re-notify
28th of July.
हाँ?